Senator Freddie Webb, hindi mukhang 81 years old, pero anuman ang tikas, may mga panghihinayang siya bilang isang ama.
Both a father and a husband, I could have done better.
Paano niya pinunan ang nawalang panahon kasama ang kanyang mga anak?
I want to stay longer because of my children and because of my mga apo ko.
Tara, get to know the other side of Senator Freddie Webb.
Pilipino tayo, kaya lumalaban tayong nakangiti.
With me, put your hands together, ta-da, let's be happy. You will see tomorrow's brighter, ta-da, let's be happy.
Dito tayo ngayon sa bahay ni Senator Freddie Webb.
Ang gwapo-gwapo! Richard Gere. Hello, Richard Gere. Ay, dito. Ay, baka i-protect niya ako. May ayang ka na naman eh.
Sabi niya ako na lang, huwag yan.
Hello. Natakot ka na ko. Hello po. How are you? It's
Sit
a
down there.
beautiful house.
Wait, really? No.
I didn't expect it to be this beautiful. Ilang taon na po kayo sa bahay na to?
7?
Only?
Yeah. 7, 8.
Wow! So, nandito tayo sa dining room ni na Senator Freddie Webb. Pero may basketball court daw sila. Hinanap ko kung nasa ng basketball court. Andito, oh! Nandun mismo sa loob ng bahay. First time ako nakakita na ganito, na biglang may basketball court doon. Usually, nakikita ko yan sa garahe. Pero ito, nasa loob ng bahay talaga. Amazing. At covered yan. How are you as a father? Kasi doon ko kayo naalala.
How was I? Both a father and a husband, I could have done better. Yeah. I'm not saying I have a checkered past, no, but I would say that kaming dalawa mag-asawa, no? Hindi namin masyado naalagaan ng mga anak namin. Kasi alam mo bakit? Nagtatrabaho kami. No?
Isa-isahin nyo nga po yung si Pinky. Of course, she's my colleague, my friend. Si Fritz.
Fritz is third to the eldest because ang eldest ko is si Mabet.
Okay.
You met Mabet, no?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa rin.
Or baka.
Tapos si Mike. Tapos si Pinky. Pagkatapos si Hubert, si Jason. No? At saka pinakabata talaga si Jason.
Tito, I have to ask you
Many times.
about your experience about Hubert. Was that the most painful experience as a father? Or meron pa bang mas mahirap nung mga panahon yun? Bilang magulang po.
Wala. That is the most unbelievable experience that me, my wife, and my children experienced. People that are part of this grand scenario of putting my son to jail, no? Most of them are already in the next life, no? At least I can say now they know the truth, and I hope if they knew it for whatever purpose, then sana humingi sila ng tawad. Dahil ako talagang there was a time, no? Ako'y magigising, panahon ng kasagsagan yan, no? Araw-araw nasa dyaryo, no? Sa Inquirer, no? Ang ginagawa ko, kumuha ako ng unan. Ginaganon ko, and then I'm asking God to take me, no? Sabi ko, hindi ko na kaya ito, di ba? Tsaka, ilang taon yun? 15 years and 6 months. Isipin mo yun, 15 taon ng anak ko nawala, ano? Lahat ng sakit inabot niya dyan. But you know, it was Hubert that brought me back to sanity. Sabi niya, Dada, ako nagsasabi sa'yo, sabi niya, patawarin natin sila. Diba? Huwag kang mag-iisip na hindi ng masama na mamaya ay hindi naman natin o ikaw makaya. Di ba? Maalala lang namin, na yung hirap na pinagdaanan niya, siya pa yung taong nagbibigay sa akin ng lakas na, na huwag gumawa ng mali. Ang importante lang sana, yung mga taong hindi naniniwala, sana man lang paniwalaan yung desisyon ng Supreme Court, no? Tapos nung nasabi na lumabas na yung desisyon at yun ay pabor kay Hubert, oh my gosh, if you will tell me more about how we dealt with it, I will remember the time that I heard that he would be out of prison. Yun na naalala ko more.
Oh, you have your toys here.
Yeah, I have. Yeah.
Oh,
A small one. Teeny-weeny.
wow. Oh, wow. Look at this. It's your collection.
Yes. I was the one that bought all of this. We were in the States, no? What? Hindi na ako na gano'n. Sabi ko gusto kong bumili ng Star Wars, no?
Baka they cost a fortune na.
Yeah, I have here
Kasi, alam nyo,
baseball stars.
Yes.
Mga star ng baseball, I have it here. Ito sa basketball, no? Tapos a little of mga toys na, ng mga cars, no? And then I have, there, no? Small,
Planes.
mga laro-laruan. And then, dito meron ako. Ito, gustong-gusto ko ito yung mga eroplano na ito, no? Yan, tingnan mo kung gaano kabigat.
Solid.
No?
Kailan pa to?
Tagal na. Ito, nakuha ko sa kanya ito, di ba?
So, love kayo ng asawa nyo na talagang ginawa niya kayo ng magandang space.
Oo. Ito, tingnan mo ito. Meron akong pinball
Yeah.
Ito, Star Wars.
Dahil lang subit-bit nyo to from house
Ito,
to
kaya
house.
ako kinuha ito.
Oo.
Freddy. Nightmare. Di ba sabi ko, okay din yan. Bakit? Hindi naman spelling ng pangalan ko yan. F-R-E-D-D-Y yan. Ako F-R-E-T-T-I-E.
I'm scared.
Kaya kinuha ko rin siya.
How many years were you doing basketball? Were you a professional basketball player?
Siguro, puwerang college, Mika, at saka PBA. Siguro, tatalo, kasama na rin ng coaching, mga 13 to 14 years. And Chicks to Chicks is 16 years.
Kaya tumatak
Pero alam mo, napakapalad ko na nagkaroon kami ng ganon. Because that brought food to the dinner table. Chicks to Chicks.
Yeah?
Laking utang na loob ko dyan. Si Nova. Pero si Nova, laking utang na loob ko kasi ako'y kumbaga sa pasali-sali lang Siya yung talaga namumuno. And she's very bright, Galing niya, yung, let's say, namatay kasi si Ading, Wala kaming director for the meantime, Siya. Siya naging director, siya naging writer.
Wow!
Ang galing yan. Tsaka ang galing yan sa mga, let's say, pareho na yan. Meron kami ginawa yung Can't Buy Me Love. Pag meron siyang nakitang magandang gagawin, na wala sa script, sasabihin niya sa director. And most of the time, yung director, pumapayag.
So, nabanggit nyo ang Chicks to Chicks. Mga batang 80s, doon ko kayo natatandaan, syempre. During that time, you were already a basketball player?
Yes. Because at that time, there was a span, in one time, that if you do not work, playing is not enough. Minsan mas mataas pa nga yung trabaho.
Parang wala sa itsura yung nagkayod.
Sobra-sobra. Masipag ako, sorry, I'll being honest, masipag ako. Alam ng mga nakakilala sa akin na, meron kaming salon, basement salon.
Yes.
Punta ako doon madalas. 3 times a week nandun ako. Para lamang makatulong sa pagpatakbo, no? But more so, ako kasi gusto ko hands-on. Kasi ako naniniwala na no? If it's not hands-on, beware.
I see. Pero wait, where did the business side of you start? Parang, of course, I know you're a basketball player, an artista. Yung businessman, hindi ko po alam yun.
Then that's a question, di ba?
Oo. Bakit kayo masipag?
Ang dami naman sa amin talaga nagtatrabaho. Kaya lang yung iba, sa opisina ng aming kumpanya, ako ayoko. So kaming dalawa ng misis ko, nagnegosyo kami. I went to selling cars.
Kailan kayo nag-decide na mag-politician? When did that
okay.
begin?
At that time, I was playing basketball, backyard, no? Sa isang, wala pang barangay noon, sa isang barangay. Tapos dumaan yung mga politiko sa Pasay pa eh. Sabi ganyan, pwede bang kunin namin kayo para maglaro ng basketball para sa amin na dalawa sila noon no? So sabi kong ganyan, sige, ba't hindi, di ba?
I think I remember you this way. Nandyan pa ba yung biceps nyo? Tingin nga.
Medyo.
How have you managed to stay this fit after so many years?
The truth is, I don't even know if I really am fit, no? But I just try my best to stay afloat. Meaning, every day at this age of 81 is an extended day. God has been good to me, umabot na ako ng 81 at ito yung mga natitirang buhay ko ay on borrowed time. I call it on borrowed time. Hinihiram ko na lang sa Diyos yan. So the main purpose is I want to stay longer because of my children and because of my mga apo ko.
Can you still do this?
I will try.
Yung light lang. Mukhang mabigat
yan,
yung...
okay na yung weight na yan.
Mabigat?
Hindi mabigat yan, mag-aamla yan.
Hindi ko kaya yan.
Siyempre naman. Yan. Alam mo bakit? Lahat dala rito.
Oh.
Yung yung katawan mo, even yung tuhod, dahil yun ang tumutulak para yan mo rin itong ibabaw.
Challenge ko.
Watch out, ha?
It is heavy. Mabigat. OMG. Kala mo kakayanin mong 81 years old, Ang galing. So, meron kayong career, basketball. Pero how many years were you in the Senate? Just one term?
Just one. But in Congress, I had one.
Was that satisfying for you? Being in public office?
I would have wanted another term. That's why I ran. When I lost, I didn't run anymore because of very expensive campaigns. Mahal.
And your priority then was health?
Sorry?
Your priority before, mga bills ninyo, tungkol lahat sa health?
Lahat. Dami nun, no? For instance, optometry law. Alam mo yung sugar? Akin yan no? Wow.
Yung mataas yung asukal?
Hindi.
Tax?
Sugar. Yung sugar na na para hindi ka magkaroon ng goiter, no?
Iodized salt.
Iodized. Thank you, I apologize.
That's fine.
Here,
yung iodized sa inyo yun?
Yes.
Oh.
Pagkatapos, akin din yung yung no down payment in cases of emergency. Kasi
sa ospital?
Oo, kasi kawawang kawawang mahihirap. Look, I am done with politics. So, whatever I say now doesn't have to do, nagsasalita yan ng ganyan dahil politiko yan. Hindi, sinasabi ko lang yung katotohanan.
Pero ngayon, parang, baka nga hindi alam, ngayon gamit na gamit yung PhilHealth. Yung mga, whatever we are enjoying now, yung no down payment na sinasabi ninyo. Pero frankly, iniisip ko, alam kaya nilang kayo yung tao behind it?
Very few. Very few people know. Not unless you advertise, di ba?
So you're now 81 years old. Sabi nyo, borrowed life. But how would you want to be remembered?
How do I?
Anong legacy ninyo?
Well, that's a hard question. I was thinking what questions you would ask, but that was not counted in my... Gulat ako doon. What legacy? Okay, let me just try my best to answer that. Diba? I want us, the Filipinos, no? To realize the value of hard work. There is no substitute for hard work, okay? But also how much you would appreciate how it is to take care of your family. But you must also realize that at the end of the line, it will only be your family that will help you.
Sabi nyo, you wish you had more time for your children.
Yes. Kasi nga, punong-puno kami ng trabaho ng dalawa, di ba? After the time that I was already doing chicks to chicks, sabay yung basketball nun. No? Kaya kung minsan, I'm blessed no? Kasi yung taping is umaga hanggang alas 2, alas 3. Ang basketball is alas 5. So nakakapunta ako, wala akong absent, di ba?
Life has been good to you.
I couldn't ask for anything more. Couldn't. I had the best of all opportunities to be able to survive, and at the same time, be able to continue to have my children respect me for what I am.
That's the other side of Senator Freddy Webb. At kagaya ng palagi nating sinasabi, Pilipino tayo kaya lumalaban tayong nakangiti. Be happy! Thank you!
Hands together, tara, let's be happy. Sometimes ni pumreno, pahinga kang taas noo. Dasal pa more bawat saglit, kanino pa kakapit. Hindi ka nag-iisa, ako'y...
Nagagalak po ako dahil tayo ay maglalabas na ng ating kauna-unahang libro. When bad news is good news, hindi ko po ito kwento lamang, kundi kwento po nating lahat. Sana ay magdala rin ito sa inyo ng munting liwanag at inspirasyon.